Welcome! This is a two-part ukulele jazz tutorial all about the tune Summertime by George Gershwin. This classic tune is easy to play. In part 1 we're going to cover the chords, strumming, and a couple of rhythm tricks. Part 2 we're going to get into how to improvise over this tune. There'll be chords and lyrics shown right here on the screen so you can follow along easily, and there are timestamps in the description below so you can hop through the different sections of both of these videos. Hope you'll get your ukulele out, whether it's high G or low G tuning. Look forward to making music with you right now. This two-part video is a sample of what you'll receive at my upcoming Ukulele Jazz Workshop, Sunday, May 16th. Tickets are on sale now. We're going to be focusing on the great Django Reinhardt tune, Minor Swing. This workshop is going to be held in 2 parts. It includes a lot of perks. You'll get jam tracks, a PDF workbook you can watch anytime as a replay. You'll be learning the intro, the outro, chords, rhythm tricks, and some cool licks for soloing in the style of Django Reinhardt. This is going to be a ton of fun. If you want to join me, check the links down below. I hope to see you there for another workshop with me. But right now, let's get into this lesson. Check the links down below if you're interested in joining me. Thanks. My plan for this lesson is to teach you the 7 chords for Summertime. Then we're going to practice them in the box chart. Then we're going to play the whole tune. Stick around to the very end and I will show you some cool rhythm tricks that will spice up your jazz playing. So the first chord is E minor, 0, 4, 3, 2. When you move to the second chord, B7, notice how these 3 fingers lift up and just hop up towards the ceiling. And it's a great idea to try to land them all at the same time so you can make that switch quickly. You're going to have that switch from E minor to B7 quite a bit in this song. The next chord is E7, so that's frets 1, 2, open, 2. Then an A minor, frets 2, open, open, open. We're going to have our friend C, open, 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 3. There's a G chord, open, 2, 3, 2. And there's a brief appearance of the D7 chord, 2, open, 2, open. I play it with fingers 2 and 1 so it's easier to change to G. A simple but great rhythm you can play is quarter notes with accents on 2 and 4. That sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light, strong, ready? A 1, 2, a 3, 4. A 1, 2, a 3, 4. Great swing rhythm. Next, you can go down and up playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Still accenting 2 and 4. Another option that's a nice crisp sound is to use your thumb. You strum down and then on beat 2, strum and mute. On beat 3, down, strum and mute on beat 4. So it's weak, strong, weak, strong, weak, strong, weak, strong. Feel free to combine any other type of rhythm that you like to play with this tune. Now let's put these chords in order of the song's form. You see this box notation down here? This is what we're going to read for now. Later the lyrics and chords will be shown. Every one of these boxes has 4 beats in it, and your job is to, as we strum along, to see the beat going across the page. So just like reading music, you're going to see a bouncing ball keeping yourself in time. You're going to visualize that bouncing ball going across the box. Each box has 4 beats in it. When you come to a box which is divided, beats 1 and 2 are at the top, beats 3 and 4 are at the bottom. Let's try it right now with a simple downbeat swing strum where we're strumming 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, E7, A minor, C, B7, C, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, D7, G, A minor, C, B7, E minor, A minor, E minor, B7, and we're back at the top right there. I recommend that you go back and practice the box chart exercise a few times. It gets easier the more and more you do it. Pretty soon, you're going to be reading charts and strumming like a boss. All right, we are ready to jam the song all the way through. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hope you'll click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll keep in the loop of every time I put up a new video. Let's begin with the E minor chord. The first note we sing is at the top of the E minor chord, that B at the 2nd fret. Summertime. So let's begin by strumming our E minor chord. Let's get in the groove together and then we're going to play the whole tune. You'll hear me strumming the basic strums I showed before and a couple of variations as well. I'll show you those at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. You ready? A 1, 2, a 1, 2, summertime. And the living is easy. Fish are jumping. The cotton is high. Your daddy's rich. And your mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings you're gonna rise up singing. You're gonna spread your wings, take to the sky. But until that morning, well, nothing can harm you. With Daddy and Mommy standing by. Play the chords for me while I take one. So how do we start taking an improvised solo? Well, that's what the second video, part 2, is going to be all about, as well as my workshop. Check the links down below if you'd like to join me for that special workshop. The really cool strumming trick I want to share with you is a very cool triplet that you can play, and it makes a circular motion. It's a nice showboaty thing to do, and it's not too hard. There are 3 strokes to this strum. First one, take these 2 fingers, pretend that they're glued together, and strum downward. I'm strumming the E minor chord with these 2 fingers. Then I strum, my thumb goes downwards with a little flick of the wrist, and then the index comes up. Looking at it this way, my 2 fingers go down, my thumb is still up, my wrist twists, my thumb goes down, and then my index up. Take some time getting used to those 3 strokes. Triplet, triplet. Once you get comfortable with it, do it in a flowing motion. And notice how it naturally starts to turn into a circle. Pretty soon the neighbors are banging on the wall. Don't get you to stop. Here's how you use it in the song. You'd go, oh, 1, 2, triplet, triplet, 1, 2, triplet, triplet, boom. You drop that triplet as a single or a double triplet anywhere you want. When part 2 becomes live, it will be visible right here. Please click the subscribe button and you will be kept in the loop of when that video goes live. Look forward to seeing you there for some cool bluesy licks. It's easier than you think to start taking a solo. Look forward to seeing you soon.